Well, good morning, everybody. I'm out here in Mansfield today. Had to bring the 68 GTO up here for the Vin Verification. We're gonna get the Vin Verification for this today so I can get my bonded title. Man, there's some cool stuff here. Not a lot of stuff, but there's a couple of things. Guy's got a 5-window coupe here. Dude over there looks like he's got a 69 70 Charger. Check it out. That one right there looks pretty nice, really. Now, let's get this VIN done. It's 68, matching numbers car. I took the door off. I got another door. Are you? I got a 69 GTO that I'm doing. I picked this one up. Matching numbers car. I couldn't just leave it where it was, you know.
It's not gonna be numbers matching. I sold my little Outlaw 10.5 drag car, so I can make another project. I did the Fox body Mustang.
Those are cool. Those are cool. Yeah, this one needs.
Track, you can't throw a rock without hitting one.
Right.
So I bought this, bought that 68 Chevelle 36 years ago. When I was 16, I bought it. Like a race car, I put it in my parents' barn, tore it apart.
Never touched it again, yeah.
So this weekend I'm fixing to go get it.
That's cool, man. 68 Chevelle.
Yeah. So I'm trying to make a true street car out of it. See how it does. A little heavy, I don't know how I'm gonna get it light.
Right.
You won't see it be another Mustang.
Yeah, I'm a GTO guy. I got a 68 Camaro. This GTO, a 69 Camaro.
69 Camaro.
About 30 more classic cars.
Oh, you do? What all you got?
A lot of stuff. Everything's for sale. Except for my 69 and the 68 Camaro. And my 77 Corvette. And okay, so the next guy in line's got this 63 Impala SS car, and check this out. She's gonna need a little bit of work. That's definitely a cool car. '63 Impala SS. I was wanting to check out that Charger, but he's already up there with the VIN verification. And then there's a Mustang and a Blazer. And I'm gonna talk to the next guy in line.
I picked up a while back, and it's been sitting in my shop and everything, so I decided to go in and start doing something with that. I didn't put the hood on or anything, but
What's up?
it's a good car.
Yeah. A lot of work's already been done to it.
I just kind of threw some stuff on it to kind of get it here. They said they wanted it to look complete and everything.
Yeah. This sucker is sweet, man.
I think it'd be a good look for it. I kind of want a Model A though instead of this. If you find a good Model A,
I like Model A's more. Yeah.
I mean, these are a hot thing. I love the headlights and shit. These
Yeah.
cool. But I want to do a little Model A and drop the shit out of it. You know.
Yeah, a little Deuce Coupe or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are my favorite. I had that 34 3-window. It was just a shell and a frame.
Yeah, that'd be perfect.
But they're so hard to find.
Well, there's a lot of Model A's because they're 28 to 31.
Yeah.
I'd take a sedan, or I prefer a coupe, but I take a sedan.
Yeah. I come by them all the time. I used to have a couple of 4-door suicide sedans, and I've had 2 different coupes, 5-window and a 3-window.
Yeah, this whole body is a good old body.
Yeah.
Needs a tail pan on it. Need a little work right there.
Doesn't look bad at all, does it? It's a pretty solid car. Doors look pretty solid.
Oh, yeah, they're pretty solid.
Cool dash. Pillars look good. Yeah.
The only Bondo I found in it is right here. It's not rusted. It's a dent.
There's a dent right there. Yeah, you could probably
knock that out.
Yeah, you can ease that out. Yeah.
Freeze.
Wouldn't be too bad.
But not rusted. So that's
Yeah.
good.
Okay, so I'm here getting the VIN check done. Officer just looked at the numbers. He's going to run it on his side. So we're going to see what happens. Okay, so he's ran the number. It's been way too long since it's ever been registered, apparently, so there's really no file on it. So he said I'm good to go. He's going to give me everything I need, get that bonded title for it, get this thing to a new owner. And once I get this, I'm going to mail the stuff to Leesley. We're going to get all that straightened up. I go get my bonded title. I'm going to take it to a car wash right quick and vacuum it out, clean it up a little bit, spray it down. And take her back home, put her in the backyard. I'm gonna fix that door, fix the hood, and I might try to pull that dent out a little bit. And after that, put it online, see if I got any bites. Okay, taking off. I got my paperwork. Everything's straight. So, back to the house. Drive past this place all the time. A Nova right here. And they got this 60 model Chevy right here. If anybody's home, got a bunch more stuff in the back. Not as nice as I thought it was from the road. She got a little bit of cancer, but she's not too bad. It's an Impala too. Watch out. It's a 62-door Impala. I wonder if they'll sell it. So I'm gonna vacuum this thing out and wash it off a little bit. Well, finally made it home. So I'm gonna drop it in the backyard here, cleaning up the yard, cleaning a bunch of stuff out of the shop. About to go ahead and stick the 69 in the shed and get that going. First, I gotta drop this car off. So I had a guy come by and he bought the Glastron boat from me. Watch out. Had a lot of interest in it. He wants me to keep him anonymous, but he said he's gonna stay in touch with me, give me a little bit of video footage. He's gonna sink 20 grand into it, he said, yeah, and fully restore the thing. So he's supposed to come Sunday and pick it up. We'll probably record him on a send-off, but it'll be cool. Air it up. Oh, we got that one. Don't air up. That's right. Okay, so we got the 68 off the trailer. It's sitting back at home. I cleaned it up a little bit. Doesn't look too shabby, huh? She got one or two little spots in the floor, but the trunk's real solid. Everywhere around the windows, pretty solid. Everywhere inside here is pretty solid. Fenders are solid. The rockers, everything. Okay, so now it's time to bring my 69 in the backyard. What do you think about that? Definitely been waiting too long. And it is now time. Go ahead and start the restoration on this baby. All right. My car's nice. Just gotta sand them down and repaint them. Original headliner. Somebody had stole the seats, but I just got an entire new interior kit. So as soon as he moves his GMC out the way, I'm gonna hook the lawnmower up and just pull it back to the backyard for now. I gotta finish getting a couple of things out of the shop, and then it'll be able to slide right in their new home. Can't wait. Where's that strap at? Put it back in the box. Well, I can't wait to drive this car. It's gonna be nice.
Be ready to get to it. Got new tires on that shit.
Okay, so we had to use the truck. Lawnmower wouldn't do it.
Just in time for Valentine's Day. How about this?
But look at that.
Clever love bite.
She is finally,
Star 92.
finally. Oh, it was in reverse. It's finally in the backyard. Almost in her new home. So, finally in the backyard, my 69 Pontiac GTO, nicknamed her Dixie. She's a sweet southern gal herself, she is. The love of my life. Not for sale. One of my kids will inherit this whenever I die. So, knew it was about time. It was a little bit too heavy for the lawnmower. So, we got it back here though. I'm excited. Everybody's gonna drive by and say, hey man, your car's gone. No, your car's not gone, it's in the back. So now I have two GTOs in the back again. The 68 Camaro, the 68 Le Mans parts car still, right? So, it's just a matter of time. She'll be on the road again. We'll be driving her, burning tires, going yard to yard. Gotta have something cool to drive around for the show. Here she is in all of her beauty. She'll be real sweet once I'm done with her. .400 4-speed, power brakes, power steering, AC. Got the tack on the hood. can see right here the 10D. That's the Trans Am option, 24237. All right. It's originally an espresso brown car. Hard to really see that, but originally an espresso brown car. But I'm just gonna paint it back black, gold interior. I'm gonna put the judge stripes on it. It'll be a tribute car. You can always take the stickers off, right? So, no harm, no foul. Can't wait to start working on this thing and let you see step-by-step progress as we go, all the way to the finishing point and burning rubber on this thing in the next episode. As always, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already. We've got a lot more episodes to come, not only restoring the GTO, but barns and yard finds, right? I just got a lead on a yard with 10,000 cars. So we'll see.